Finally, we have the Samsung Galaxy J1. So what's unique about this phone? This phone is 4G enabled. As compared to other phones that are 4G enabled, their prices range from 60,000 and above, but this phone is only 10,999. So hi, I'm Erik Vateta, and I'm going to lead you through the unboxing of this phone. Through the unboxing of this phone, and you're going to see how ideal the phone is as it has been advertised in the Kenyan market. So we're going to see how it's going to fit on my palms. As you can see, the phone is quite light, relatively light as compared to other phones. It's slim, rounded, and I think it can provide a good selfie experience to most teenagers or anybody who likes taking selfies. The camera, it has a 5 megapixel, and a front camera, it's 2 megapixel, and the size is quite good. A 4.3 inch size. I think it's quite good for this phone. The phone also has a 1.3 dual-core processor, which is a quite good phone, and which can provide a wide range of speed when being used. So we're going to see what else is in this box. We have the earphones, then we have the charger, the Samsung charger. We have the USB cable, which you can connect in any computer or laptop, or if you want to charge your phone, you can also use this USB cable. Then the battery. We have its battery. We have been told it has a long storage. It has a voltage of 4.4. I believe it's a good battery, and it has a long storage, and it can enable you to watch any video you want, or even browse as long as you want. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy J1. So next time, watch our reviews on how we will review the phone, especially the camera and the speed. Otherwise, thank you so much.